Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
You guys are just saying good morning to each other back and forth, okay? I just don't get some of their choices. I ain't gonna say behavior, I'm just gonna say choices. Yeah. But now, you have to face the consequences for what you done. And hang on, guys. Hello? No. Hello, guys. No, it was my phone vibrating on the chair. I did not fall asleep. That's why I gotta call it. It was my phone that's sitting right here next to the computer. I didn't fall asleep, I promise. Oh, that's funny. That's hilarious. But no, I didn't fall asleep.
Tom, 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 lele, lumi, malang.